Today morning, I got a call from Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. Let's hear to what he said.
Am I speaking to Dion?
Yes, you are.
All right, Bill wanted me to ask you if you could create a program.
What program?
He wants you to create a program that can sort anyone's downloads folder and make it look cleaner.
Well, I can do that.
Great, I will call you sometime soon, and Bill also wants everyone to subscribe to Dion Cardosa, else no Windows 11.
Hello people on the internet, welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we'll be creating our second 5-minute project. So if you do not want to miss some quick and interesting projects, smash the subscribe button and click on that bell icon. Now let's jump in and get started.
This is Mark Zuckerberg.
This is Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella,
Bill Gates.
This is Jeff. This is Elon Musk. Down to the moon.
5 minutes project. Alright, so let me just quickly create a project in Python.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Next, we need to import two modules, OS and Shuttle, for high-level file operations. Now let's specify the path and create a list with all the file names that need to get sorted. Now we will loop through files and store the extension type. Now we have to move all the files into the directories. We have two cases, one of which when the directory already exists and one of which when the directory does not exist.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
So that was today's 5-minute project. I cannot reply to comments, neither can I comment on my YouTube videos due to some glitch. So if you want to connect with me, you can follow me on Instagram. Now we can have a clean looking directory with a single click.
Did you subscribe? If not, then subscribe to his YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and follow him on Instagram.